Hey guys, tonight I'm going to show you how to make a really quick, delicious, tangy vinegar-based barbecue sauce with a little bit of kick. Stick around. Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Greenhorn Barbecue and Beer. Glad you guys could stop by tonight. Sassy Kitchen Queen is over there on Instagram. And we've got the dogs outside, of course. I put them in the backyard, but they'll probably be in here as soon as we start cooking. So, ladies and gentlemen, if you don't mind right now, it'd be a good time to smash that subscribe button, hit that bell, so you don't miss a thing. Dang. Alright, as the intro suggested, we're going to be making this really delicious barbecue sauce. Now, I want to give good credit where credit's due. I got this recipe from Aaron Franklin at, you guessed it, Franklin's BBQ, Austin, Texas. But we're going to switch it up a little bit, and instead of putting chili powder, we're going to put some chipotle powder in there. Now, chipotle powder, as you know, is a little bit hotter than a jalapeno, a green jalapeno. They use red jalapenos that have been allowed to mature, and then they roast them and smoke them, grind them up into powder, and you're left with chipotle powder. So it's really tasty, kicks it up a notch, gives it a nice little Southwest flair, and that's what I'm looking for. I've also adjusted the ingredients just slightly. So let's get started. All right, guys, here's the ingredients you're gonna need. Okay, you wanna get yourself one good, nice looking yellow onion, medium size, and chop that thing up really fine. And then you wanna pour it into an already warm butter bath and let those onions start to caramelize. Okay, you want this, all right, you guys know what caramelized onions look like. I don't need to show you, so we're going to put these on a medium heat and let them caramelize up. You don't want that butter to burn, so make sure you got nice medium heat. Okay, some of the other ingredients you want is going to be a half cup of apple cider vinegar, a cup and a half of your favorite ketchup, about 2 ounces of light brown sugar, a heaping teaspoon of granulated garlic, a heaping teaspoon of kosher salt, black pepper, and the chipotle powder that I was telling you about earlier. Again, you want these onions to caramelize up. So if you're barbecuing, this is a good time to go check the smoker. All right, it looks like those onions are getting caramelized pretty well. So I'm going to go ahead and get the ketchup ready. Alright, it's coming out, it's coming out. Okay, that looks like that's just a little less than a cup and a half, so but I'm going to go ahead and use it. Okay, there we go. That looks pretty good. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do a half cup of this apple cider vinegar. That's going to give it its tang. I'm going to slosh it around a little bit, make sure I get all the last bits of this ketchup. On and she goes. All right. Next thing goes is sugar. The salt. Garlic. Black pepper. Last but not least, chipotle powder. Make sure I get every bit of that. All right. And then we're just going to give it a nice stir. Oh yeah. Looking really good. Give it a little bit of heat there. Okay. And that's looking pretty good. Okay, not all my ketchup came out, so I'm going to try to coax a little bit more of it on out there. Okay, so I found a little bit more ketchup. I put that in there. Oh my god, now the house is without ketchup. What will we do, babe? The ratios I showed you, definitely you need 1.5 cups of ketchup for a 1/2 cup of the vinegar. Alright guys, all you got left to do now is boil it. I'm going to boil mine for a little bit longer so it gets a little bit thicker. And then I'm going to use this separator to drain off that little coat of oil you're going to get at the top. Now if you refrigerate your sauce, in the morning you're going to have that little thick waxy film at the top. You can just pop it off that way too, so you don't need that, but that's what I'm going to do. Alright guys, thanks for watching this segment of Greenhorn Barbecue and Beer. Check out the description below for a full list of ingredients to this recipe. We'd love to hear your comments, what you think, how you change it up for your own liking. And ladies and gentlemen, be sure to subscribe and tap that bell, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.